Progress.
It's very good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to do one more problem of one-way ANOVA shortest calculator method. This method is very short for the example number 2. To assess the significance of possible variation in the performance in a certain test between the schools A of the city a common test was given to the number of students taken at a random from the 12th class of the 3 schools concerned. The results are given below. A, whose results are 2, 4, 6, and B, whose values are 3, 5, 7, and C, 4, 6, 8, and make the analysis of variations for the given data. My dear students, please look here, solution. By the data, you plot the table as follows. Look here, A given in horizontal way, you take it in vertical way. Now, the A whose values are 2, 4, 6, and B's values are 3, 5, 7, and C's values are 4, 6, 8. And TI means the sum of all A values. 2 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 12. Okay, and one more column you take, that is summation of xi square. And I tell you how to get the summation of xi square value from the calculator itself. No necessary to do it. Then 3 plus 5 plus 7, 15. This is TI value. Then 4 plus 6 plus 8, 18. And you can add all this TI value. 12 plus 15 plus 18. This is 45. Okay. Now, here, this 255 value, you can write it directly from calculator. I tell you later on. Now, look here. N means total observation. Total observation, look here. 1, A, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. And 3 columns are there. 1 column, second column, third column. 3 into 3, 9 observations. And groups are, rows are groups. A row, B row, C row. The K equal to 3 groups are there. Then state the hypothesis, H0 and HA. H0 is null hypothesis. If 3 groups are there, you take 3 mu. Mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. And the alternate hypothesis is the reverse of this. The mu1 is not equal to mu2, mu2 is not equal to mu3, at least one. This all 3 may not be there, equal, unequal, but at least one may be equal. Then result holds good. Next, look here, calculation. CF equal to T square upon N. The T square upon N, you can get it from the table. T square, look here, 45 square divided by 9. You have to calculate and write it here. 45 square divided by 9 in calculator, it gives 225, and make it the box for this marks will be there. And TSS equal to summation of xi square minus CF. No necessary to calculate. I will get this 30 value directly from calculator. And similarly, SST equal to summation of TI square upon NI minus CF. And no necessary to calculate this value. I tell you how to get it from calculator. This is the SST value. And SSE equal to TSS minus SST. And this also I tell you how to calculate it from the calculator. You no necessary to enter these values right now. 36, 24. I can get them in calculator because this is shortcut method. Then, now the next is, my dear students, this is ANOVA table, very important. Examiner see this table and give the full marks. Okay. Examiner see this table and give the full marks. He see this table values and your judgment at the bottom. So he will give the full marks. Then ANOVA table. Variations, first column, degrees of freedom, second column, SS, sum of squares, third column, MSS, the mean sum of squares to the fourth column, and F last, F value. We have to calculate. Look, variations between the degrees of freedom is K minus 1. The K minus 1, K is 3, 3 minus 1, 2 it is. Then error, the degrees of freedom N minus K. N is 9 and K is 3. 9 minus 3, 6 it is. and total n minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8 it is. And SS, my dear students, SST, these values are not known to you now. I will tell you. Look here, I tell you, see here, how to get the TSS value and SSE value from calculator. Then look here, SST plus SSE equal to TSS. So that TSS minus SSE, this is SST, automatic it is. And now I tell you how to do it in calculator. Look here, my dear students, see here, calculation of TSS and SSE from the calculator. You use the Casio FX 991 ES plus calculator for this operation. Then TSS calculation, my dear students, TSS calculation equal to n into sigma x square. This is variance. This is total variance of the table. It is n is 9 into sigma x square. This is variance of the all values. This variance you have to calculate from the calculator. For this purpose, make on the calculator, press the mode button, and then third button, that is start, and then one button and variable you have to enter all the xi values there. Now xi values I will show you here. Xi values, look here. 2 equal to button, 4 equal to button, 6 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 5 equal to button, 7 equal to button, 4 equal to button, 6 equal to button, 8 equal to button, AC. Okay, you entered all the values there. Entered all the values there. Now, look here, you entered all the values here, AC. Look here, you entered all the X value, AC. Then you look here, you press the AC button and then shift button, then one button, this is a start button, and then fourth button, that is variance button. If you press this fourth button, variance is automatically coming at a number 3. You press the third button, third button, and that is only variance. But this is only standard deviation, sigma x, but we want square of this. This is standard deviation, sigma x you are getting, but we want variance, means square of this. Means you press the x square button, it becomes sigma x square. Then multiply it by capital N. Capital N is 9. Then if you press it, 30 you are getting. 30 is value of a TSS. You enter that 30 value. Look here. 30 value, 30 value, I think so. Sorry, I committed a mistake here. 30 value it is. See, 30 value. Okay, 30 it is. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, 30 value you got. Then 30. Then you want the summation of xi square, you know, again shift, already values are there, all the values are there in calculator memory. And again, AC button, then shift button, one button, that is start button. Then you press the third button, sum. And after pressing third button, summation values, summation of x and summation of x square are coming. You want summation of x square. Means that is one button. You press the one button and equal to button. 332 is coming. And you write it there in the column. Simply write there in the table. Look here. This is x square. This is, you write it here. Yeah, 255. This is 255 is coming. Look here, 255, you enter. Simply enter there. That is no use of that value at all. I am not at all utilizing it. Okay. See here. Then next, see here. Look here. Okay. Now look here. SSE we have to calculate now. SSE, my dear students, SSE. Let's just see value. This is 255. This is not, see, 255 rupees. 255 rupees. Not, okay. Now, SSE, you have to calculate. My dear student, SSE equal to, remember here, my dear students, this is variance of all the groups. Means the variance of group A plus variance of group B plus variance of group C. Means N1 into sigma A square plus N2 into sigma B square plus N3 into sigma C square. Now this is, I am going to store the variance of this A in the letter A and variance of B in the letter C, B and variance of C in the letter C, and I will add them. You are getting 24 later on. Now look here, for this purpose, I want to do this first, variance of A. The same, what you have used is the same method it is. The press the mode button, third button, stat button, again one button, and variables are enter the row A values, and AC button, shift one stat. Then you press the fourth button, variance button, and the third is sigma x. It is standard deviation, but x square I want. You want press the x square button, and on the display calculator sigma x square you are getting, and multiply this by ni. Means how many elements? There 3 elements are there. You press it. Whatever answer is coming, you store in the letter A. That is shift RCL A and AC. Okay. Now you have calculated the A variance from A. Then similarly variance for B row. Then mode button, third button, stat button, number 1 variance, and enter the B rows values and AC button. Then shift 1 stat, again fourth variance. And after pressing the variance fourth button, you are getting the third as a standard deviation, sigma x. But I want a square of this, and press the x square button. On the display calculator, sigma x square is coming. And into 3 elements are there, equal to button. And store this value in the letter B, shift RCL B AC. And similarly, the same procedure used for the third row also. The mode button, third button, that is the stat button, and 1 variables, enter all the C rows values, AC button, shift, then 1 button, then that is stat button, again the fourth button, that is variance. That is, after pressing fourth button, you are getting the third as a sigma x. But I want a sigma x square, and press the x square button. Then it becomes sigma x square on the display calculator into 3 equal to button. And this store this value in the letter C. Look here, store this value in the letter C. Letter C. Now, see here, you stored all the values, the variance of A in a letter A, variance of B in a letter B, and variance of C in a letter C, and total variance, SSE equal to total variance, means alpha A plus alpha B plus alpha C equal to button you press, 24 you are getting. Then you get SSE and TSS, and SST equal to TSS minus SSE. 30 minus 24 equal to 6. Now, look here, my dear students, you got all the values. Then you go to the, again, table and make a calculation. See. Look here, now. Yes. My dear students, look here, SST 6, SSC 24, and TSS 30. Look here, MST equal to SST divided by K minus 1. 6 divided by 2, 3 you are getting. Then MS equal to SSC divided by N minus, SSC divided by N minus, 24 divided by 6, 4 you are getting. And F equal to, actually, MST divided by MSC if MST is greater than MSC. But in this case, MSE is greater than MST, so that you take MSE divided by MST. Whichever is the greater, you take it in numerator. Whichever is smaller, take it in denominator. MSE divided by MST, 1.33 you are getting. Then you write the MSE, look here, MSE, its degrees of freedom 6. Look here, F degrees of freedom, first numerator degrees of freedom 6. And denominator MST, its degrees of freedom 2. Look here 2. And in the table, F table, this is gamma 1 and this is gamma 2. And if you see the table at 0.05 with the degrees of freedom, mu1 equal to 6. This is mu1 equal to 6 or gamma 1. You can say the mu1 equal to 6 and degrees of freedom mu2 equal to 2. And you get in 19.33. You compare this value with this value. Look here. The F equal to 1.33 and 19.33. Look here, which is smaller? 1.33 is smaller than 19.33. Therefore, accept the hypothesis, null hypothesis. And suppose if it is 50 and then it is greater, then reject the null hypothesis. In this way, you have tried the decision. Yes, wish you good luck and wish you good luck for examination, my dear students. Yes, have a nice time. Good day.